What if I told you, right now, forces are acting on you, on your phone, on the building you're sitting in, and if those forces were not balanced perfectly, everything would collapse. Bridges would fall, towers would tilt, your own body wouldn't even stand. This is not magic. This is engineering mechanics, the subject that silently controls everything that stands, moves, or survives. And today, we begin from absolute zero. Simple, powerful, unforgettable.
Engineering mechanics is the branch of applied science that studies forces and their effects on bodies at rest or in motion. Simple words, but massive power. It answers questions like, why doesn't a hanging cable snap? Why does a building stay upright? How much force can a human tendon handle? It has two main parts, statics for bodies at rest and dynamics for bodies in motion. Everything in civil engineering, structures, materials, foundations, grows from this root. Mechanics is not a subject. It is the language of stability.
Why this simple example matters. Now imagine this same idea, but instead of 10Q, it's a concrete bucket lifted by a crane, or a steel beam hanging during construction. If the cable fails, disaster. Engineers calculate maximum tension, material strength, safety factors. All of it begins with this simple hanging mass. Every skyscraper in the world started from this equation. Connection between body and buildings. If a tendon fails, injury. If a structural cable fails, collapse. The mathematics? The same. Forces, reactions, equilibrium. Whether you design a house, a bridge, a dam, or a high-rise tower, the same mechanical laws apply. Mechanics is the foundation of strength of materials, structural analysis, reinforced concrete, steel design, geotechnical engineering, and transportation engineering. It is the starting engine of the entire 4-year civil engineering journey.
Most people think mechanics is difficult. It's not. It's misunderstood because they memorize formulas instead of understanding balance. Mechanics is just asking, is everything balanced? If yes, safe. If no, movement or failure. That's it. Even a child on a seesaw understands mechanics. Equal weight, balance, unequal weight, rotation. Engineering mechanics is just seesaw mathematics at a professional level.
Simply put, it's the branch of applied science that studies forces and how they affect bodies, whether they're standing still or flying through the air. We divide this world into two: statics, where everything is in perfect balance, and dynamics, where motion takes center stage. The golden rule: equilibrium. For any body at rest, the sum of all forces must equal zero. It's the invisible balance of the universe. Take a 10-kilo mass. To keep it from falling, you need exactly 98.1 newtons of tension pulling back. That's physics in action. It's even in you. Your tendons can face a reaction force of 800 newtons just during normal motion. Engineering is everywhere. Want the next episode on free body diagrams? Tell me your topic below, and let's keep this momentum going.